haddana waxaan jeclahay inaan soo dhaweeyo danjirihii hore ee Turkiga ee Soomaaliya haddana ah xubin ka tirsan baarlamaanka Turkiga isla markaana ergey gaar ah uu soo diray madaxweynaha Turkiga Recep Tayyip Erdogan Kani Toran.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Elhamdülillahi Rabbil alemin. Esselatu vesselamu ala Resulina Muhammedin ve ala alihi ve ashabihi ecmain. Mr. President, Excellencies, brothers and sisters of Somalia, Assalamu alaikum. I come here to represent people of Turkey and President Recep Tayyip Erdogan. I brought you his salams. My dear brothers and sisters, I came here September 2011. I stayed 3 years with you in Mogadishu in town, not in airport. And since then, I'm still working with my brothers and sisters in Somalia while I'm in parliament in Turkey. Somalia has done great work in terms of development. I know the time when I came here, the situation. Now, alhamdulillah, situation is much better. We have done 2 elections, 2 peaceful transitions. I would like to congratulate President Sheikh Sharif Ahmed and President Hassan Sheikh for the peaceful transition and for their work for the country. And I would like to congratulate President Mohammed Abdullahi Farmaajo for, inshallah, he will do very good work and Somalia will be better. I believe Somalia will be the regional star because I believe in the people of Somalia. Dear brothers and sisters, Turkey has been with you, will be always with you, and we will continue our support in terms of development, humanitarian work, and investment, everything. We will be with you forever. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.
Thank you very much, Ambassador Kani Turan, the former Turkish ambassador to Somalia.